Okay, so we'll just go ahead and start to rotate this engine all the way around, watching this sprocket. And there's two lines on here, and we want to get those right about there. So those two lines are flush with this mating surface of the valve cover gasket, and the little circle or an indentation here above this bolt is on this side of the engine. So with those marks even here and this little circle over here, that is going to be top dead center on the compression stroke. Alright, so now that we have this cam sprocket position here and we're at top dead center on our compression stroke, this is where you would inspect your valve clearance. The other indicator that we're in the right spot would be down here on this little inspection window. There's a little notch here. Now there's a T mark on your flywheel that will also be lined up at the same time that these marks are lined up. You don't really need to worry about that just for doing the valve adjustment. Now if you were taking your camshaft in and out, that's where you would want to definitely confirm that this T mark is aligned down here on this flywheel, and then you can put your cam in and have it lined up at this same position we had it shown at. But for valve adjustment, you can just focus on this part, because this engine, it is really tricky to actually see the T mark from down here. So like I said, in our manual we'll have clear step-by-step instructions how to do all this, and we'll show the detail shots of this. And when we get this cover off here, we'll be able to really clearly see that T mark as well.